Gather together to renew our faith and to remind ourselves of the need and the necessity of life in the Holy Spirit. The church in her present moments need revival. And I will repeat that. We need revival. Revival is not an option anymore. To think otherwise would be to deceive ourselves. In every which way, the church is undergoing difficult moments. But God is ever faithful and God is ever merciful. God in His wisdom foresaw and understood that without the power of the Holy Spirit, the church will remain powerless to confront the times that will face us. And so almost 50 years ago, God began a revival, a renewal in His church through the grace and the power of the Holy Spirit. And you are celebrating 40 years of that. 40 years of new power. 40 years of new opportunities. 40 years of new blessings. 40 years of the grace of the power of the Holy Spirit. The one thing God cannot do is force us out of our love for God and our wanting to know and experience the power of God in the Holy Spirit. I invite you and I encourage you, and that you will invite and encourage others to be open to what the Holy Spirit will do in these times and moments that we will spend together this weekend. So God bless you as we enter into this time of worship and praise and teaching throughout this weekend. Be renewed and be revived in Jesus'